come to share with you a journal and a kit that I've put together. This will be listed in my shop and the link for that will be below, and there's still a 10% discount until the 28th of February. So I've made a blank bare journal. It measures 8 by 5 1/4. I've just closed it with, well, it's just held closed with some organza ribbon. There are, oh gosh, I can't remember how many pages now. 70 something pages. Yeah, 70 something pages. The page number and everything is actually on the listing, so I'm going to do a quick flip of this. Done some light stenciling, coffee dyed some glassine bags. There is some Edith Holden, some digital music paper, some squared paper, some more digital paper, a doily, done some edge punching, some inventory paper, centre of the signature. This can actually be undone. Obviously there's a knot right underneath there, but you can take that the bolt out, and if you wanted to add beads you can do, or charms. It's been very noisy around here today, and I'm just hoping that I get to do this video without being disturbed. The other side of the glassine bag. So that's the journal. Right, and then I've put together a collection of some pockets, ephemera. There's a nice big bundle of lace. I'm going to go through everything. So I'm going to try and just put things to one side so that I can show you clearly without everything being there. So I've made 6 tags. These have been coffee stained. They have been stenciled, stamped and inked up. So you get 6 of them. I've assembled 2 of these Windle envelopes, and I've stenciled and inked up around the edges, so all you have to do is decorate this pocket, and obviously you get the little pocket there. There is 4 little tabs that you could put on the side of your pages. Actually, I'm going to put them back in there in case I lose them. So there's 2 of them. There is, I think it's 6 of these doilies, and I've left them plain because sometimes it's nice to have the white contrast against the coffee or the tea dyed papers, but if you wanted to you could quite easily tea or coffee dye them. 2 paper bags, again you can coffee dye them or you can leave them as they are. You could make pockets out of them, all sorts of things. So I've made one of these flip outs that obviously you can decorate. So it's all folded for you, and that's an idea from Terry Woods. So that's that all folded for you. And then one of these, and I've just paper clipped that one closed because you would glue that onto like the side of your page. So that all folds out. So yeah, if that was the page, you would just kind of glue it down there and up there, and you'd have the pocket there and here, and then it also flips out. We have, right, I've messed all this up now. We have a bridge scorecard, then a contract bridge score sheet from a pad, a time card. There is 2 coin envelopes in the brown, and then there's 2 coin envelopes in I don't know what colour you would call that, it's like an orangey brown. We have this envelope here, and it has been embossed. You could put that onto the side of one of your pages. There is 4 of these guest checks. Now these are obviously different to the big long ones, but there's 4 of them. There is 10 tickets. There is a repair tag. There is a sticky back library card with a tag there, so obviously that just comes off and then you can stick that onto your page. We have some Project Life cards, and you can use them in many different ways. Oh, I like the pattern on the back of that. I've got tons of these, so that's that. Then there's these playing cards, so kind of very vintagey. I've got quite a few of these, so I thought I would throw some into there. I've got these nice emojis on there of the butterflies. So that's the paper side, and here we have the laces and fabric side. So here is some cheesecloth, and it's in white, and it's 4-ply, and I normally split it so that it's 2-ply, so you can open that out and get double. There is some mesh bling. There is some of this pearl beaded string. You can cut them up and use them individually, or you can, you know, cut a few off and glue it onto something. Some kind of goldy coloured bling. There is a piece of burlap. There's this lovely piece of like a crushed velvet. Oh, it's just got some fibres stuck to it. That would be nice in the background of something. We have this ruffled lace and ribbon trim. There is this lovely, again, it's like a velvety ribbon. There is just, I've got loads of these. I had an old sheet, well, it was a duvet cover that I never used, in the white, and I've cut loads and loads of strips, and I've used these for making fabric ruffles. Oh, then we have this ribbon here. There's a scrap piece of material. There is some crocheted trim here. This piece of lace. It's quite wide. Little piece of white crocheted trim. There is this crocheted doily, and it actually feels so nice. I've got a few of these, and they just feel so kind of silky and smooth. We have this doily. There is this trim, some of this trim, some bits of fibre stuck to it. This lovely pink trim. This trim here. And I recently got these are actually from the Crafty Emporium, and I bought 3 packs of these, and let me find the, so I thought I would add one of these into it as well. Excuse me, I have to take a little drink. Oh. So these 3 trims here, excuse me, is that, and this little dainty one, and then this one here, and I won't bother putting it back in the bag, but Carol does a pop-up shop every now and then, so oh, excuse me. So that is all what you get in the kit. The journal, the lace, and all the paper ephemera be listed in my shop. Don't forget there's still 10% discount till the 28th. All the links will be below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.